What's up guys, welcome to Crown Rick Auto. In this video we're gonna search this 2010 Chevy Impala that was taken away from a police impersonator after he got arrested here in Sacramento. Car got impounded. I was able to get it out of the impound after his time limit and the whole investigation was over. What a freaking idiot! Who does that? I hope this guy gets prosecuted to the full extent of the law. Imagine seeing that in your rearview mirror. Forget that. About to search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment, contraband, whatever this dude had left behind. But before we get to that, let me show you the progress of my garage. I want to announce the winner of the Flaregun, and it is this guy right here. Thank you for liking and sharing my video. I really appreciate that. Make sure you email me. Okay, so in the middle of building this elaborate garage, the landlord texted me and said, stop building right now, we need to talk. So I don't know what that's about. I'll probably talk to him later today. Hope he doesn't have bad news for me. Also, if you guys missed the last video, you're definitely gonna want to watch it. It's a good one. Funnyman got it good. So I gotta act like my own security man today because I had a fire security man, Mick. He did some unacceptable, unforgivable stuff. All I gotta say is, wow. Wow. He is so beyond fired. Biscuits is here. Say what's up, Biscuits. I've been training her to sniff out contraband. She's gonna help me search this vehicle. She's gonna sniff this criminal.
I ain't no criminal. What kind of criminal? Whoa, what kind of dog is that? Get her back.
She's gotta get the criminal scent real quick.
Holy smells.
Okay, now that she's got the scent, we're gonna go ahead and look for contraband goodies. So there's a toggle switch that you push right here that activates all the lights. So from what I know, this was a real police car that he bought from like a department or auction or something. He took it out joyriding, pulling people over. It's dead. So there's these buttons right here. I don't know what they do.
Connecting to OnStar Emergency.
Uh-oh.
OnStar Emergencies. Rachel, what is the emergency?
Hi, no, I'm sorry. I just bought this car and I pushed this button. I have no idea what it does.
Okay, I'll disconnect it. No worries.
Okay, thank you.
Be safe out there.
Bye.
Your OnStar call has ended. Goodbye.
I didn't. Oh my gosh. Oops, sorry about that. The more you know. All right, so I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way to the back. Look at her. She's chilling next to the baton, ready to strike. Apparently the guy was using one of these cheap eBay.
Attention. Looks like it works.
And under the hood, we can see that he is running a federal signal siren. What the hell do you think you're doing with my movie car? Wendy's? What? Aren't you supposed to be dead? You need to go put this back right now. Whoa! Can you believe the kind of stuff I gotta deal with around here? And look at the tint on this. This is totally illegal here in California. All right, so let's start here. What kind of Pokemon card is this? So it looks like there's some type of sedatives here. Okay, let's look on the other side. It's like some sort of holster. And of course, it's a lefty holster. Check out this Mac 11 airsoft gun I picked up at a yard sale. The magazine is broken, so I have to figure out a way to fix that. Some random stuff. By the way, this car smells like straight up weed. If you look closely, there's a bunch of little weed nugs everywhere. Yep, here goes a big weed nug. Smell it. That's bad. See that? Yucky. Blech. Crime scene investigator. This guy is a true wannabe cop. Pretty interesting stuff on here. The crime scene search. That's exactly what I'm doing here. This is basically a crime scene. This is crime scene tape. This is definitely a crime scene, so I'm setting it up. It's the crime scene, Keep it moving. It's not even real crime scene tape because usually it'll say police crime scene. He has a bunch of duct tape. Probably the duct tape is victims. What a sick man. Oh, and look at this. This is interesting. Okay, so see, remember how you saw that battery in the front? He had a wire that goes all the way to the front that connects to the battery right here that activates this interior light bar here. The dude's a complete idiot because this is actually a visor light. Yup, I connected it straight to the battery and look at this. This is beautiful. This don't look beautiful to you though, for a criminal like you, huh?
I'm a criminal.
This is a nightmare for you.
I'll rob everybody. G-Bo, give me your
Yep, see? She's trained to detect criminals, to bark at criminals.
Smell a criminal? You see a criminal when you see a criminal, you know one.
Good job, Biscuits. Holy crap. Ooh, just let me see some loyalists. Just let me see some loyalists. Oh, nice. Right in the kisser. Sweet. 20, 25, $29. What the heck? Money doesn't smear. Wow. Look at that. That is fake. Damn, criminal. Look at this fake $20 bill. Look at this. See, that is fake. Real money doesn't smear like that. Plus, there's no strip and no image. Oh wait, that was the real one. Oh no! Just kidding. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread or a dog. Of course, every criminal has to have a pry bar. And what is this though? Triceps crunch. Thank you, Mr. Impersonator Criminal. It looks like I'm gonna be working on my triceps. Here's some information from the SAC sheriffs that took the car away. I don't know what happened here.
Brazen robbery near a busy shopping center. The bold actions taken by a robber looking for more than a value meal. That robbery suspect is still on the loose tonight, and deputies want to catch him, especially after those bold actions. What that suspect did that caught employees completely off guard. Tammy.
This is a very busy area where a lot of families go eat and go shopping. But all of a sudden, a Wendy's drive-thru worker was caught off guard by a man wielding a gun.
The crew members came back and told me that a guy ran past the window and put a gun to him and told him to give him all the money in the register.
A brazen robbery in a public drive-thru on Kenwood Road. A man with a gun walks up to a Wendy's window, points the weapon at a worker, and demands cash.
I think it's outrageous that that would happen in this neighborhood, because I grew up not too far from here, and this has always been a safe neighborhood. It just blows me away that something that serious would happen.
Sheriff deputies say the robber was wearing a dark hoodie and had an orange t-shirt pulled up to cover his face. Investigators say the man got some cash, then took off west through the back parking lot. A canine officer tried to track down the suspect with no luck.
Very brazen for someone to rob Wendy's and, at any time of the day. Because of the police presence, sheriffs are right down the road.
If you know anything or have any tips, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers.
And I want to give a huge shout out to all my channel members. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Every single one of you is in back of the movie car. As soon as I got enough to fill up this whole thing, I'm gonna get some permanent stickers like this, so they'll permanently stay in here. Thank you guys so much. If you want your name on here, all you got to do is become a District 76 channel member. Bam! They'll make you an officer, and they'll make you, and it will get you on back of the movie car.